Have you ever wondered how you can naturally improve the health of your kidneys? You're in the right place because today we are going to share with you the 6 best natural drinks for your kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out harmful substances from our bodies. But what can you do to support these hard-working organs and keep them in excellent condition? The answer lies in the beverages you choose to consume. Many of us are well hydrated, but the problem lies in the sources of our hydration. Often we reach for drinks that are laden with hidden sugars, such as juices, sweet tea, or soda. These choices can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, which are among the leading factors contributing to kidney disease. So, what can we do to replace these sugary beverages with healthier options that promote kidney health? That's the question we're going to answer today. But that's not all. In this guide, we will not only introduce you to these fantastic drinks but also delve into the science behind their benefits. You'll learn how they can support your kidney health, and more importantly, how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. You'll be amazed by how much your kidney health can improve just by adding these drinks to your daily diet. Drink 1. Black coffee. If you love coffee, you'll be happy to know that it is very good for your kidneys too. According to some studies, drinking black coffee regularly can reduce the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. One study, published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, used genetic data of hundreds of thousands of people and found that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cups per day reduces the risk of kidney stones by 40%. Another study by Johns Hopkins medicine researchers revealed that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee a day reduces the risk of acute kidney injury by 15% when compared to those who do not drink coffee. The researchers suggested that coffee and caffeine improve blood flow and oxygen use within the kidneys, protecting them from injury and disease. This is because coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, not all coffee drinks are healthy, and if you have kidney disease, you need to limit what you add to your coffee. Drinking black coffee instead of coffee with high potassium and high phosphorus milk or high-calorie sugary drinks will be your best bet. As with everything, enjoy your black coffee in moderation and pay attention to how your body reacts to it. Some people have a gene variant that makes them metabolize caffeine slowly, which could increase their risk of kidney dysfunction if they drink too much coffee. Consult your doctor before increasing your coffee intake. One of my patients, who loved his daily cup of coffee, was relieved to learn that he didn't have to give it up. By switching to black coffee and reducing the sugar and cream, he noticed an improvement in his overall kidney function, supported by his regular kidney health checkups. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Drink 2. Green tea. Green tea, revered for its polyphenolic richness, contains a plethora of powerful antioxidants, including catechins. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress, a condition that can detrimentally affect the kidneys due to their constant filtration and waste removal processes. Scientific investigations have meticulously explored the interplay between green tea consumption and kidney health. Notably, these studies have underscored several critical points. Firstly, green tea's ability to regulate blood pressure, primarily attributed to its rich catechin content, holds immense promise in safeguarding the kidneys. High blood pressure is a recognized risk factor for kidney disease, and green tea's antihypertensive effects can potentially mitigate this risk. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea are of significant relevance. Chronic inflammation can inflict harm upon the kidneys, and the capacity of green tea compounds to suppress inflammatory pathways can be instrumental in reducing the likelihood of kidney damage. Moreover, the antioxidative defenses conferred by green tea's polyphenols are paramount. These antioxidants serve as protective shields for renal cells, countering damage induced by oxidative stress. Consequently, green tea serves as a means to preserve kidney function and thwart the progression of kidney ailments. Additionally, the potential for green tea to assist in managing diabetes cannot be understated. Type 2 diabetes is a substantial predisposing factor for kidney disease, and green tea's ability to enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose levels diminishes the risk of diabetic nephropathy, a diabetes-related kidney complication. One of my patients, who had early signs of hypertension, started drinking green tea daily. Over time, his blood pressure stabilized, and his kidney function tests showed marked improvement. He enjoyed experimenting with different high-quality loose-leaf green teas, which not only benefited his health, but also became a relaxing part of his daily routine. Drink 3. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice is a remarkable beverage with a multitude of potential benefits for kidney health. Its rich antioxidant content, particularly proanthocyanidins, equips it with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally against chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to kidney damage and dysfunction. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 corroborated these effects, demonstrating that cranberry juice consumption led to a reduction in markers of inflammation in subjects with chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, cranberry juice has long been revered for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins present in cranberries act as a shield, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thus diminishing the risk of UTIs. Recent research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 substantiated this claim, revealing that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, can effectively reduce the recurrence of UTIs, a benefit that reverberates positively throughout the entire kidney health spectrum. As if that weren't enough, cranberry juice also provides formidable antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress can wreak havoc on kidney cells and contribute to kidney diseases. A comprehensive review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 underscored the potential of cranberry polyphenols in alleviating oxidative stress and fortifying kidney function. For individuals at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure, cranberry juice offers potential support. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 have hinted at cranberry juice's role in moderately reducing blood pressure, a significant boon for kidney health, especially among hypertensive individuals. A patient of mine, who frequently suffered from UTIs, began drinking pure, unsweetened cranberry juice daily. Over the course of several months, she experienced fewer infections, and her kidney health improved significantly. She found the tart taste refreshing and appreciated the health benefits it brought. Drink 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a powerful drink for kidney health, primarily due to its high citrate content. Citrate is known for its ability to bind to calcium ions, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. First and foremost, lemon juice stands out for its high citrate content. Citrate, a compound found abundantly in lemon juice, plays a pivotal role in preventing the formation of kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones. This happens because citrate binds to calcium ions in the urine, reducing the availability of calcium for stone formation, as confirmed by a study in the Journal of Urology in 2007. Despite its acidic taste, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This alkalization is particularly valuable for maintaining an optimal urinary pH level. Studies such as the one in the British Journal of Urology International in 2009 underscore the potential of lemon juice in elevating urinary pH levels and decreasing the risk of certain types of kidney stones, such as uric acid stones. Lemon juice also boasts significant antioxidant properties, primarily due to its high vitamin C content. Antioxidants are invaluable in combating oxidative stress, which can harm kidney cells over time. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine in 2005 highlighted the potential of vitamin C in lemon juice to mitigate oxidative stress. In addition to its antioxidant benefits, lemon juice can serve as a gentle diuretic, stimulating increased urine production when consumed in moderation. Adequate hydration and mild diuretic effects help in flushing out waste products and reducing fluid retention. Chronic inflammation poses a risk to kidney health. Lemon juice contains compounds like flavonoids that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. This anti-inflammatory potential aids in shielding kidney tissues from damage caused by persistent inflammation. One of my patients, who had a history of kidney stones, began drinking a mixture of lemon juice and water every morning. Over time, his kidney stone formation reduced significantly, and he reported feeling more energized and hydrated. The simple addition of lemon juice to his diet made a substantial difference in his kidney health. Drink 5. Beet Juice. Beet juice is well known for its remarkable nitrate content, which plays a pivotal role in supporting kidney health. When consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, NO, within the body, a process that has been extensively studied. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and potentially leading to reduced blood pressure. Notably, a study published in the Hypertension Journal in 2008 established a significant reduction in blood pressure as a result of dietary nitrate supplementation, akin to what beet juice offers. Furthermore, beets are a rich source of antioxidants, including betaines and vitamin C. These antioxidants are instrumental in neutralizing harmful free radicals, thereby diminishing oxidative stress. By doing so, they shield kidney cells from potential damage, as confirmed by a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2007. In addition to its antioxidative properties, beet juice can have anti-inflammatory effects, which are crucial for maintaining kidney health. Chronic inflammation, if left unchecked, can lead to renal damage over time. A study published in the Nutrients Journal in 2016 provided evidence that beetroot extracts could mitigate inflammatory markers, thus benefiting kidney health. Beet juice's vasodilatory properties also extend to improving renal blood flow. Enhanced blood flow ensures an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients to the kidneys, contributing to their overall well-being. Furthermore, beet juice serves as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and supporting the efficient elimination of waste products from the kidneys. This diuretic effect is especially valuable in preventing fluid retention and aiding the kidneys in their detoxification role. Lastly, beet juice's impact on blood pressure should be highlighted. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is paramount for kidney health, as hypertension is a leading risk factor for kidney disease. The nitrates in beet juice, through their NO-mediated vasodilatory effect, can contribute to improved blood pressure control, thereby reducing the risk of kidney damage. A patient of mine, who had issues with high blood pressure, began incorporating beet juice into his diet. Over time, his blood pressure stabilized and his kidney function tests showed improvement. He enjoyed making fresh beet juice at home and appreciated the natural benefits it brought to his health. Drink 6. Water. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including kidney health. It helps flush out toxins and waste products, maintaining optimal kidney function. Proper hydration ensures that the kidneys can filter blood effectively, preventing the buildup of waste products and reducing the risk of kidney stones. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine in 2008 found that increasing water intake decreased the risk of kidney stone formation. Additionally, water aids in maintaining blood pressure, which is crucial for preventing kidney damage. Staying well hydrated helps regulate blood pressure and supports overall cardiovascular health. For those at risk of kidney stones, or with a history of kidney disease, increasing water intake can be particularly beneficial. It dilutes urine, reducing the concentration of minerals that can form stones. The National Kidney Foundation recommends drinking at least 8 cups of water a day, but individual needs may vary based on activity level, climate, and overall health. One of my patients, who had a history of recurrent kidney stones, made a conscious effort to drink more water throughout the day. This simple change drastically reduced his stone formation and improved his overall kidney health. He found that carrying a reusable water bottle helped him stay hydrated and made it easier to track his water intake. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. In conclusion, these 6 natural drinks, black coffee, green tea, cranberry juice, lemon juice, beet juice, and water offer a multitude of benefits for kidney health. Incorporating them into your daily routine can help support and maintain optimal kidney function. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. By making informed choices and prioritizing kidney-friendly beverages, you can take proactive steps towards better kidney health and overall well-being.